Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from CET. Right here is a repair video for the WA100. If you have any ideas on what you'd like us to repair next, go ahead and leave it in the comments, give us a phone call, send us an email, however you want to get a hold of us, and we'll do the best we can. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Thank you very much for watching. To start, gather a flat head screwdriver, pick, pliers with some tape on the end, and a 5.5mm, 7mm, and 9mm wrench. Start the disassembly by unscrewing part 1. Then use a 7mm wrench to unscrew part 2. Unscrew parts 15 and 14. Then remove part 13. Next, push the needle assembly from the front of the gun to remove it from the back. I'm going to use a pick to remove part 6 from the back of the gun. Unscrew part 3 from the front of the gun and use a pick to remove part 4 from the same side. Next, use a 9mm wrench to hold part 10. At the same time, use those tape-colored pliers or a flathead screwdriver to unscrew part 12. Then, remove part 11. Pull parts 7 and 8 out. If you need to change the nuts on the back of the needle, you can do it with a 5.5mm wrench. To change part 9, just take it off with a pick. To reassemble the WA100, insert the needle into part 10, put part 11 on the back of the needle, and screw on part 12. Insert part 6 into the back of the gun. Insert part 4 into the front of the gun. Screw part 3 into the front of the gun. Next, insert the needle assembly screw part 14 on the back of the gun. Then place 13 on 10 and screw in part 15. Finally, screw on part 2 and tighten it with a 7mm wrench. Before screwing on part 1. Thank you very much for watching.